welcome to Garden Guitar. We have NICO SANTOS here with the song called Number One. So we have this melody going on and we can combine that with a strumming pattern. It will be through an entire song, the same melody there. So let's take a look at it. We don't need any capo for this one. We have chords that is behind all these licks here, the melodies. So we'll look at the chords first. The first one will be the C sharp minor. So that's a bar chord here. You place a bar on the 4th fret from the A string and down. That means 5 strings from bottom up, all except from this last E. So on the 4th fret, and then the rest will be 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. That's the C sharp minor. The next chord will be B. You can do that as a sus version or the real B. In any way, you will play this with a bar here on the 2nd fret, still from the A string and down. It's the same grip there, just on the 2nd fret now. And then the real B chord here will be 4th on D, 4th on G. And the sus version goes without this 4th B, but with the real chord here, you will have the 4th on B as well. So it's up to you to go in the most convenient way. I'm going with the sus version here when I play the strumming. All right, so that's the B. And then finally we have the A. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. All right, so we have the 3 chords, C sharp minor, B, and A. Let's take a look at this main melody here. It starts with the C sharp minor position there. So you're gonna play this part. So that is 4th on A, 5th on B, and 6th on G. Then you go to the B position here, and for this you're gonna play that one. When you play this melody, you notice here that it's really based upon the real B here, since we are playing the 4th on the B string there. So it goes 2nd on A, then 4th B, and 4th G. So when you play the melody, you need to hold something that looks like a B, but when you go to the strumming later, it's okay to play the sus version there. So the B was 2nd A, 4th B, and 4th G. Then we go to A. I'm gonna play this part. Okay, so that is open A, 2nd B, and 2nd G. You play that for 3 times, so. And then you go back to B, play 1 round. And then you play C sharp minor for 2 rounds. That is the chord progression, you can say. So slowly, it will be like this: C sharp minor, then B, then A 3 times, B, and C sharp 2 times. All right. So for every time now, you can play also 1 strumming round, and we will look at that now. So grab the C sharp minor chord. 1 strumming round will be down, down, up, up, down. Like this. So down, down, up, up, down. So it's equivalent to this part. All right. So 1 round. And then you go to B. I go with the sus version here, and then you go to A, and it's 3 times now, and then B, and then C sharp 2 times. So in the context here, 1 chord progression round will be like this. So there you have NICO SANTOS Number One. So I hope this was helpful. If it was, please thumb up and subscribe to this channel. And yeah, till next time, guys, play tuned.